pleasant day again, Mom. So I will be presenting my final event concept. So first, we have here the event letter for Miss Frida Mayanchas, the CEO of M FMLR Events. So the letter is about the PG event Incorporated is delighted to present our proposal for the management and organization of the MICE Travel Hub development, a comprehensive 3-day seminar and tour. And it's scheduled for February 22 to 24, 2026 in Cebu City. So this event will host a 500 participants. Okay, so next is our company history. So the PJ event is located at Magsaysay Street, Sorsogon City, established year 2019. We offered a personalized service ranging from simple party packages to a complete event planning. And we manage every detail from start to finish with our high quality equipment. So the company is here to help and we are flexible and client focused, working wherever you need us. And we are committed to provide an excellent service to all our clients, no matter the size of the event they want. So, about the logo, the PJ event logo is designed for business branding, aiming to create a business memorable mark, represent energy, creativity, and make clients to faster recognize it. The mission of our company is to deliver an exceptional event experience that empower and connect individuals and communities with the vision of to be the leading event company for creativity, commitment to excellence for every event we undertake. And the goals and objectives is to ensure all events meet and exceed customer expectations in terms of creativity and execution, establish and maintain long-term relationships with our clients through an exceptional services, and implement and explore new technologies to enhance event ideas and creative concepts. Okay, here's the event concept. So the event title is the MICE, the Meeting, Incentives and Conferences Exhibitions Travel Hub Development, scheduled February 22 to 24, 2026, located at Cebu, Philippines, with a 500 participants. So the objectives of this event is to give students from region to information about the MICE industry and help students meet a new people in the industry and help students to learn about event planning and tourism. And the goal is to educate students from Region 2 about the MICE industry, connect them with professionals, promote Cebu tourism, and enhance their skills, and leading to increase industry awareness and career opportunities. So the main activity is a comprehensive of a 3-day event designed to provide the students with deep understanding of the MICE industry and its potential for regional development. Okay, so the SWOT analysis, the strength, the weaknesses, the opportunities and threats. Okay, and here's the other services we offered. It's very specific. Okay, for the organizational structure, we have here me as a general manager, Justine Gallery as assistant manager, Raylene as finance department, Kier as logistic department manager, and Aliyah as a creative and design manager. And the food and beverages manager is Paulo Dulay. So our responsibilities and duties. So as a manager, I oversee all departments and staff, builds a relationships, makes event planning decision, and ensures a legal compliance and monitor progress. And for the accommodation, so the venue we choose is the Kest Hotel and Conference Center. So Kest Hotel and Conference Center provides a essential business facilities and services, it including well-equipped meeting rooms and a business center. So the hotel's strategic location ensures an easy access to key corporate hubs, making it an ideal choice for those looking to effortlessly integrate work and fun. So for the hotel amenities of Guest Hotel, so it includes a rejuvenating spa, a refreshing pool with a view of the city, and with an air-conditioned rooms, free bottled water, towels, sleepers, and free Wi-Fi, of course, and toiletries and more. So the for the rooms and bedrooms, we have, I guess, five types of rooms. We have the deluxe single room, executive suite, premier deluxe, and the junior suite. Okay, for the transportation, we have here the Cebu Pacific, and the service information is attached. For the plane times, it has two types, the Airbus A321-200 and the Airbus A330-300. Okay. For the land transportation, we have here the Metrocars Transport Services. We have three regular buses, of course, with a different rate. And for the catering services, our company choose to partner with Maggie's Food and Catering Services. So they provide an exclusive menus are crafted to meet individuals' needs, while Impactable Services ensures a truly memorable experience and worth celebrating. They have food packs. Okay, for the snacks, we have the Jollibee. Jollibee is for morning snack, and the Shawarma Shack for afternoon snack. Okay, we have the auxiliary services. For the security service, we have the Password Security Agency. For the medical service, we choose to partner with allied care experts. And the photography, of course, is the Scenic Vision. Okay, here's the itinerary for 3 days seminar and tour. Okay, here's the venue layout at the guest hotel, conference room. Okay, for the budget plan, of course, we have the accommodation and venue rental. The hotel accommodation is cost 2,662,000 for 2 nights na yan. And we have the conference hall. The conference hall rental is 45,000 times 2 days equals to 90,000. So we total of 2,152,000 for live-in. So the live-out is 90,000. Okay, for the food, we have the snacks, lunch, and dinner. So it cost a total of 750,000. For the transportation, we have the Cebu Pacific and Metro Cross Transport with a total of 5,505,000. For the auxiliary services with a total of 82,000. Okay, we have here the speakers, 4 speakers with a total of 42,900. Okay, the miscellaneous expenses for certificate and tokens and entrance fee is cost of 110,000 pesos. Okay, the subtotal expenses is 8,641,900 pesos. For the VAT with a 12% is 1,037,028 pesos. For the professional fee with 10% is 864,190 pesos. The 9% contingency fund, 7,777,710 pesos with a grand total of 9,678,928 pesos for the live-in, while the leave-out is a grand total of a 7,369,488 pesos. So the registration fee per person is 19,357 pesos for the live-in, while the live-out is 14,738 pesos. So the discrepancy is 4,618 pesos. Okay, we have here the tourist destinations of a tour. We have the Cebu Metropolitan's Cathedral, Magellan's Cross, the Sirao Garden, Basilica Minor del Santo Niño, and Fort San Pedro, and the Heritage of Cebu Monument, and lastly the Yap San Diego Ancestral House. Okay, here's the Memorandum of Agreement. And that's all for my event concept final activity. So I hope you, mom, find my activity and compare it with my first activity and event concept A2.